It's so fast.
I need to drink water.
Yes, we did repeat this 1,000 times, girl. But let's just forget everything and be a new player. Yeah, girl, wait up!
Wala pa ko kasulod.
Wait up, ho! Look at me twerking. Look at me twerking.
Girl. What the hell? How did y'all do that?
Shift.
Shift? Girl, sprint man eh.
Oh no no.
Hold on.
Sprint day na.
Let me click all the
I think
buttons.
Kwanzai. I think space.
No, it's not
Where are
working.
you?
Asa man ka diyo? Okay, guys.
Maka-twerk mo dai like kani maka-twerk mo.
Makatwerk ka diyo?
Maka-sprint? Maka-squad ko, oh.
Unsa man na? Ay, control.
Ang galas ko.
Okay,
Maka-sprint
okay.
man ko.
Asa man ta?
Here, over here. Uy, man.
Asa man? Oh,
Find a K.
find a key.
Again. Juicy, juicy.
Jealousy, jealousy.
Oh.
Smooth lagi kay diri no?
Girl,
Look,
come here.
Countdown. Ano to?
Come.
this is me.
Okay.
Miss Girl, di ko kasulod.
Place under General
It's you damn wings.
Yeah, wala mo good si Yawi.
starting June
Ay, litsugas girl, di ko kasulod.
Huwag yawi.
Anong naman ni countdown? Yan na lang, gibira ko. Oh my god!
Unsa man na atong moon? That's a fucking smiley face.
I don't see any
I'm
moon.
driving. I'm driving.
Why is that me?
It's my father!
Oh my god, they got us.
Holy shit. To smack me.
Guys, dali
He
na
did
kung sala na first ha. It's not my fault we crashed.
No, it was your fault, bitch.
No, it's not my fault. It's the damn giant thing.
Gibangga to ni Mayari, sala ni Mayari.
No, it's not my fault. The fuck? You guys have very heavy ass.
Sorry
Seek out
guys,
a book.
my fault.
Control and crouch.
Wait, isn't this the one we fed to the rat?
Where?
Sigma?
Girl, is this the one we have to feed the rats? Or whatever what that is? We have to find rats and then we have to sacrifice it to the girl.
No!
Guys, pangita mo rats. Ato mo sa well. I-poison ninyo. Yeah, I remember this one. This is my favorite.
Okay, okay, I'm trying. Di pa ko familiar ani.
Shift o control.
Jealousy man ni girl. Lahi ni siya.
Wrong kitchen will protect you. Huh? rooms which Shinya will protect you.
Na makakita mo well, ibutang ninyo ang rats dito.
In a small
In a
village,
small
there
village,
lived two orphan
there
sisters.
lived two of them.
The two
Two
sisters
sisters live
live
in
in
poverty
poverty and
and constantly
starve
starve
themselves.
themselves.
One
One
day,
day, Mio,
Mio, the
the
younger, arrived
younger,
home overfilled with joy. Rin, the older
Doreen,
one,
the older one,
became skeptical
skeptical about
about
her.
her.
She questioned Mio, but she was never told Mio was so joyful.
What's an Ibi?
And one day, Rin came to the final thought that Mio must have been eating well without her. Jealousy overtook Rin, and satisfy her initial hunger, she consumed her own sister.
Ay, wow.
Rin came to a realization that Mio had been slowly
Guilty.
saving money for both of them. She became haunted with extreme guilt, leading to mysterious appearance ah, of a second mouth in her back of her head.
Ew.
It was the mouth of Mio, who constantly wailed for food, otherwise Rin would ache in extreme pain.
Dili ba nakatusalit ang
Damn.
kuan? Kato bitawng Tagalog nga duha ka nawong
Pakita mo rats, puno ka buo. Pangita mo rats guys, then
the rats
ibutang mo
are
sa well.
poisoned by the well.
Dayon
For her
ibutang
to
din dito
consume,
sa under the
you must
bell.
ring a bell.
Oh shit!
What's
I hear
that
a
sound? Yeah, I heard something.
Yeah, pangitaon mo ana.
That sounds weird.
Makadungog ra mo rats.
Hala,
Kaya pa guys.
paspasa to eh.
What the
Kaya ra ni.
What the fuck?
Hala, dara siya bi.
What the fuck? 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 What the fuck?
Found the rat!
Oh, Nadia? Ew.
That is so
I found the rat! Where should I put it?
actually it's so disrespectful.
Ibutang
So
daw sa wheel or
disrespectful.
something.
Ibutang sa well.
Ay!
Patay, yung walik ng rat.
Nakasulod lagi to.
Hell no, bitch! Hell no! I'm staying
That is
here
so disrespectful.
with the fucking rat.
Fucking rat.
Hello, rat! I am Ratatouille.
Uwi,
Maka-kuan
uwi.
ra ba mo guys? Maka-hide
Ah?
mo sa mga
Wala ko
murag
yung
tawag
ni...
papel.
Akuan na, by time?
Paspasa to niya. Uy, unfair.
Maka-hide mo sa kanang bitang murag kuan
Tawag-
kanang papel
Wala.
tingi na black or something kalimot sa tawagan.
Asa man ang well?
Sa ubos.
What the hell?
I forgot. Poison rat ni tawagan. Shit. Oh shit.
Pila
Oh,
man
shit,
ka rats
oh, shit.
pangitaon?
Tulo ka buok.
Tulo? Okay. Kaya ra ni.
Asa man ang girl? Asa man ibutang ang kunang kuan? Ang rat?
Rats?
Ibutang sa well. Naay garden
Where's the
bitaw.
Ay, dara di oh.
Naa sa other floor.
Kana day.
Ay, nasa sa ubos. Pila ka ubos.
Kaning old well?
Yes.
Yes. Then, paghuman kay, ibutang ninyo sa bell, dahil pangita dahil yung bell. Dito ni mo ibutang poison rat.
Isa pa man nakabuo.
May rat naman siya sa well.
Ibutang gani sa well ang rat kay para mahimo na siyang poison rat.
Diri day.
Ay na, nakuha na ako poison rat. Na-poison rat na siya.
Dayon.
Oh, nice.
What's
Then,
next?
paghuman, ibutang nimo sa bell. Mangita na po kag bell.
Dili na mawala kung mamatay.
Where's the bell?
Amatay, mawala na.
Ay, fangit.
Where's the bell?
Sunod. Ay,
Oh shit.
Kalo na ni Avery. Kabalo siya.
Dire
Follow
tata.
me,
Oh,
Avery.
okay guys, kayog ta guys. Atrasa,
Who's
atrasa.
in the other room now? Where the bell is.
Wait lang, I think mo quit ko later. Kaya it's like 30 na. Wapong ka ready.
Girl, hurry up now.
No, you can't leave
You got
us.
the rat.
Ay, dara, oh, Will.
Nara ba?
Ay, Bel. Bakla, asa man ka?
That's a bell. That's a bell.
Where are you?
Almost, butang na.
Balik!
Nice.
Nice. Wala, nakasulod.
Eat it.
Run, run.
Run!
Nangita na po kag another rat.
Is she eating a rat?
Yes.
Ikaw dula lang, oh. Awa pa din ako na si Cindy.
Ikaw na.
Yes.
Hello, yung ngunit.
Yes. Ay, this is not a rat. This is fucking kuan.
Chelsea, Chelsea.
Shit. Lalo, yawa, 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 yawa.
Wala, nakasulod. Ay,
Naguin. Kayo ka, alain, nakalawan, nakagalit.
Daga! Ay, mama!
ay, Jesus, Jesus.
Alawan ay mama.
Wala na. Ay. Namdi mo diri.
Mama. Pwede siya kagit na sudari, guys. Ano ba? Mutago mo.
Move, people, move.
Halok na ko. Ito, nagkaon sa ako. Bangkot, alam mo ko
Isa na lang karat, I swear.
Oh, shit. Sige na, karat.
Isa na lang.
Ano ka na? O, ganyan, di ba, pagkuha yung talent.
Laday, tuyok raman tali ko.
Ilang?
Ito, sana ko. Where the heck is the rat is? Patay. Ang dala ko sa ikon. Nabuta. Wait, kasi nakakuha sa well. Who's in the well? Matay ka, no?
Yes, I died. Sabi din ako mabalik.
Ay, abig namatay ka. Lagla ka lang.
Oh, namatay ko, pero mabalik ka mo ko rin yun.
Kadto ka, ano kaya mo ko black and
Yes.
Kaya mo din.
Mary, where are you? Yay!
Kadto ka tayo. Go downstairs.
Kina lang?
Usa lang, usa lang, usa lang.
O,
Yeah,
bakit may
to the pit.
countdown?
Dire, dire. Dire.
Come on. Awa.
Miss Stolar.
Ay, umo to. Dahil lagi yung lang. Ay, dami. Ay, mama.
What the hell? What the hell?
The heli.
You dare try to trick me with Rogan? What
the
Chase?
hell? Oh my god.
Oh my god, is that?
died.
Girl, namatay ko.
I died.
Wala, namatay ko. Namatay ka, Steph?
Oh!
Girl! Wala, di. Oh,
Dugo
Namatay
sa
ko?
patay dahil.
girl, you dead as hell. Oh my god.
Ate, pero be. Oo, be. Nandun ko mamatak ko. Mamatak ba? Mamatak para di ka matlok. Ikaw, mamatak ka. Oh, ayun na, Dre.
What the hell?
Fuck you, bitch. I'm gonna clock your ass. Shut up.
It keeps shouting at us.
Oh my god, skeleton lady.
Why is
Look
that
at what a big
pose?
skeleton you have. What a
Zesty
big
Kashagpad pose.
bicep you have. What a big dick you have.
Her pose
I
be
hate this
zesty
part.
though.
Not gonna lie, this is my kuan, my nightmare.
Can you make
Literal.
parkour? Oh
No!
shit.
Girl, you're gonna
Like
kill us
this,
both.
mo gyud akong pinaka-hit na part, dude. Not gonna lie.
Be, mahulog ko. Oh
Yun
my god.
naman.
Kay
Mahulog ka?
kailangan ka dili makita na ng dako kay na murag snake thingy bitaw kung makita kung maka-eye contact bitaw nimo siya or makita siya nimo ma-stone ka balik ka ka respawn. Mutago ka dira sa grass.
Lo, what's that thing?
Dapat dili ka makitaan mo crouch ka
Nag-crouch ko bayot.
and I died.
I'm crouching, I'm crouching. Are you crouching? Napa siya diya diyo? What the hell?
Yawa.
Ina na, oy.
Girl, why are you there? I'm here.
She's on to me, girl. Can't move.
Oh my Jesus.
Ay, nahimo kong stone. Bullshit na ginaay.
He's right there.
Hi, girl.
Miss girl. He's right now.
Girl, I died. Ang yapi, nahagbo pa pa dyan ko. Bullshit.
Ugly.
Oh my god!
Ate yung kahagbog.
Asa mo ka diyo? Ibalik ka?
Yeah.
Si Medusa ang atake eh.
Dili ka. Dili. 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 Mahala ko doon. Dito, friends. Sa Roblox. Asa ba? Kamot. Ah, nakuha na po ko sa mata. Hindi mo kong kuha ni.
I think name mo kong stone.
Bato. Oh, yung.
Almost there.
My God.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I got turned into a stone.
Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm almost there and I died.
What happened?
Diba?
Ah, finally.
Awa dali. No maka.
You guys good?
Yeah,
Kabalo
I'm
ka
good.
how to ano your little siblings or kunik pagkumangkon or kunik kuan. Kabalo ko.
What
Hello,
the
girl.
hell?
Unsa
What
man
the
na,
hell?
girl? Something's behind us.
Run, just run, yo.
Na, what if Nogdan tag stamina?
Lockdown gali ko ning wala ko pag kadyot. Oh my god, I died.
Okay, what happened? Ooh. We in Japan, y'all.
Oh my god, I clap your hands. I'm gonna clap your ass, bitch. Bend your
What's
cage
that?
over. Get a coochie breathe. Spin that
Girl,
ass, bitch. Hands on your knees.
Young Will's
Hands
doggy
on your
snatch.
knees. Hands on your knees. Get a coochie breath. Get a coochie knees. I'm gonna leave it, summer beach.
Hello?
Leave every
the hell was that?
leave every side of me. Leave every side of me. Leave. You're gonna leave every side of me. The sec.
Really, okay?
Yo, what the fuck are you, bitch? Look at this shit.
So may pangitaw
Miyari,
na
look
to
at
Girl,
this
don't
diri.
shit.
go near there.
Looks like Kuan. Looks like
Mike Wazowski.
no, it's Kuan. Si pakalar to niya. Midori. Mi
It's my
Mido.
Stop!
Mido.
Stop, so
Mido.
mean.
Mido na Mido.
girl.
Talk shit for a victim ass.
Y'all are so mean.
Oh my god,
Oh
it's
my
my
god.
mom.
Keep going. Lalay na, uy.
Listener, I never see you around here. You're looking for a boat? Leaving so soon already? I haven't seen you around. Maybe you can speak with an old man Kineo. Old man
Kineo?
Kineo knows everything. Although he can get a bit grumpy sometimes. Girl, that's not your mother.
No, it's my uncle. My daddy.
Girl, doesn't that look
Asa naman ko?
like a one-eyed freak? Wala, wala lagi ko yung light.
Epic balik ka ni mo eh. Equip, unequip. We gonna be
What's that?
all laughing. Girl, I'm gonna clap your ass if you keep thumbing your fucking toes, lol.
Girl.
Hello, there's a
Kung na
giant
makakit.
bird.
Kuan na ba ni? Kanang mutago na putag balayan ni. Kay, kuan na punta. I-chase na punta.
Muatak ang langgam?
Where the heck is Staff? Sunod tag usa ka balay natin i-solve na puzzle. Ah, ito na balay. Ew, what are you?
What are these, kuan, mga spirit?
Bye, bitches.
Sunod, uy! Muka.
Dili mo sulod.
We have
Bakla,
to
kailangan
find a
yawi.
Ngita na po tayawi.
Oh my god.
What in the heck?
Lay na na, uy.
Guys,
Sige, chat ni Avery.
The map
the
killed
map
me.
killed her. Shit! I'm stuck.
Stranded, man tanan balay.
Ngita tag K.
Fuki.
KK.
KK.
Okay. What is this?
What in the ball looking ass?
Kita na mag wala pa.
Wala pa.
Oh my lord.
Aha, ang pagkatao ni naning Yabiha, uy.
Sakita, sakita.
Ano? Dito ka gidra?
Sirado man ang
Dead
mga
end.
balay-balay. Oh my god, my back hurts.
Oh. Ha, maning Yabiha ni, uy.
Walaan mo, asang yawi.
Iluwa rin yung Yabi, guys. What the hell is that?
Sa taas, di ba?
What did you see?
Oh.
Oh yeah, I saw that minutes ago.
Onsa?
A while ago.
Karon pa siya mikuan ni karon pa siya may show kay Galag, like dugay kay siya mikuan.
Kanalanggam?
Oh,
Girl, ganina ra na girl.
karon pa ko kita.
Wait until makita mo itong dako kay nga devil. Logic eh. Oh my god. What if mo balik ta sa katong
Mr. Dev.
kuan?
Di ba ang cave?
What? Ay lord.
Oh my god, what is this?
What's happening?
I just talked to the demon guy.
Unsa man ni?
Girl, the bird is gone.
Hala girl, unsa man na?
Sulod ko. Sulod mo.
Where?
Asa na balik atong pinakasluyo?
Katong bitaw kailangan ti-unlock ato na mo dito. Patay
Oh, okay,
gyud mo
okay,
diha
okay.
ron.
Namatay ko ni balik ko sugod.
Oh my god! Oh my god, he's kissing me with his fucking tongue. What the fuck?
What the hell?
He kissing with a tongue. Look.
Dungan ta diyo, dungan ta.
I don't get it. Why kiss your tongue? You can kiss me without a tongue.
Sulod mo ba dito sa kuan?
Okay, okay.
Girl,
we're
isod kay
coming.
sudon, girl. Sudon pa
We're
mo
going.
na kabulog di pa may kasulod. Kaya na mag-atang.
Oh, so sad.
Oh shit. Not good.
Oh shit, not good.
Just book it. Okay, gain. Bahala na si Ellie. Bye, Ellie.
Miss girl.
Hello?
Dili man.
Girl, I can't get in.
Me too.
Ara, ah,
Are we gonna
ato na
die?
kita nang yawi. Avery,
Imo kasulod?
di mi kasulod.
We can't. We need keys.
Nakatok mo atong demon guy.
Ito.
We need our own key, I guess.
Gawat ko ha.
Ara, nagagawas na ako. Nakasulod na ko, guy.
Uy, sumali. More.
Are y'all gonna leave me here?
Girl!
Sumali man
Bumalik
muna
ko, girl.
ha.
Sige, kagdantaw na ako, girl. Yawak ka, girl.
Tumali man muna house go.
Then what house?
Sa gawas ko ha magsulat.
Okay.
Di,
Maliban
ahaman
man
mo.
house.
Ay,
Look at this thing.
wait lang.
Alam mga bahay di. Bro is camping outside.
Guys,
Why?
I'm gonna go na. Mato ko na ko ka ng lakaw.
Okay.
Go girl.
Bye! See you tomorrow.
Ako na lost
We'll
ako
meet
diri.
you, I think.
See me when I see you, bitch.
Oh,
Oh,
no kidding.
oh God. Take me on a date, anniversary. Gonna cook pie when anniversary.
Asa man ni nag-point?
And a mama cook, then my mama cook when anniversary. Bye bye, what you need. Don't tell me now, baby. Just me and your lovers all night. Special things in loving.
I don't get it.
Beautiful. My God.
Wala, gitrap na ko siya. Ew.
Minsan, kapag may mga ko,